In previous lecture, we have started the methods of subtraction. We have seen one's complement method and the other method is two's complement method. Why we apply these methods? Because there is adder circuit which can perform binary addition, but there is not a circuit, digital circuit, which can perform binary subtraction. That's why we apply these methods. So let's see two's complement method of subtraction. Let's perform simple subtraction. Let's perform 9 minus 8. Okay, so let a equal to 9, which is represented in binary form as 1001. Let b equal to 8. In binary form it is written as 1000. Now what is method? We have to calculate one's complement of b, then we will add 1 to one's complement, hence we can get 2's complement, and we will add a and 2's complement of b. So let's first calculate one's complement of b. Okay, so one's complement of b will be, how to calculate one's complement? 1 is replaced by 0 and 0 is replaced by 1. So one's complement is 0, 1, 1, 1. And 2's complement? 2's complement of b will be 0, 1, 1, 1 plus 1. If we add 1 to one's complement, then we will get 2's complement. So 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1, answer will be 1. So this is 2's complement of b. Now we have to add this 2's complement to a. So a is equal to 1001 plus 2's complement of b, which is 1000. Now let's perform addition of these two numbers. Don't forget, we perform addition, we don't perform subtraction. Okay, so 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, sum 0, carry 1. As a and 2's complement of b both are 4-bit numbers, but the addition which we get is 5-digit number. Okay, so hence we can say we get here carry. In this method, what we do? We discard this carry. If we get the carry, then discard the carry and remaining bits represent the answer, which is the subtraction of two numbers. So from carry we can predict as end around carry EAC is generated, answer is positive. Okay, so remaining bits represent answer. So we can say 1001 minus 1000 equal to, what is answer? 0001. 0001. So 9 minus 8 we get here 1. If we don't get here carry, then what is procedure? If we get the answer only 4 bits, then we can predict here as EAC is not generated, answer will be negative and it is 2's complement of the answer. So we have to again calculate 2's complement of the answer. That we will see in next problem. Okay. Now let's solve the subtraction using 2's complement method for negative answer. So let's perform 8 minus 9. So we will get negative answer. Now let A equal to 8, which is represented as 1 0 0 0. Let B equal to 9, which is represented as 1 0 0 1. Now we have to calculate 1's complement of B. So 1's complement of B will be 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Now 2's complement of B equal to 0 1 1 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 1, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 0 as it is. Now we have to add these 2's complement to A. So A is 1 0 0 0 and 2's complement of B which is 0 1 1 1. Now let's add 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. As answer is 4 bit, there is no end around carry. So here we can predict as EAC is not generated, answer is negative and it is 2's complement of above answer. Okay, 2's complement of above answer. So what we have to do? We have to find 2's complement of this answer and give negative sign. So first we have to find 1's complement. So 1's complement of 1 1 1 1 is equal to 0 0 0 0 and 2's complement equal to 0 0 0 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 1 0 0 0. So this is our answer and we have to give negative sign. So we can write here 1 0 0 0 means 8 minus 9 1 0 0 1 equal to minus of 0 0 0 1. So this is subtraction of 8 minus 9. Let's solve one problem for practice. Okay, 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 1. Okay, here this A is 4-bit number and B is 3-bit number. So we will add 1 0 here. Okay, let's start. Let A equal to 1 0 1 1. Let B equal to 1 0 1. So we will add here 1 0 0 1 0 1. Then we will find 1's complement of B. Complement of B equal to 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, 1 0 1 0. Now we have to find 2's complement of B. So equal to 1 0 1 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 1 1 0 1. Now we will add these 2's complement to A. So A plus 2's complement. A is nothing but 1 0 1 1. 2's complement is nothing but 1 0 1 1. So let's add 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry, 1 plus 1, 1 0. Means how to perform addition of 3 bits? We will first add these 2 bits, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Now we will add this carry to this result. 0 plus 1, 1, 1. So if we add 1 plus 1 plus 1, then we get sum 1, carry 1. Okay. So sum 1, carry 1. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Again here 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. So these two numbers are 4-bit, but we are getting result as 5-bit number. So here we are getting carry. So what is procedure for carry? We have to discard the carry. Discard carry. And we will predict here as carry or end around carry. As carry is generated, answer is positive. Okay, so we can write here 1011 minus 101 is equal to 0110. We can cross check our answer. Let's cross check. While cross checking the answer, we have to keep one thing in mind. We will we will subtract smallest number from largest number. Okay, always. So here largest number is 1011 because it is 4-bit, and smallest number is 101. So 1011 minus 0101, where we are adding here 1 0. So 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 1, 1, borrow, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. This is nothing but our answer which we are getting here. Okay, this is cross check. Next problem is 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 1 equal to how much? This is given problem. So let A equal to 1 1 and B equal to 1 1 1 1 1. As we know, B is 5-digit number, A is 2-digit number. So let's make A as 5-digit number by adding 3 zeros here. 0 0 1 1. So this is our A, B as it is. Now we have to calculate 2's complement of B. So we will first calculate 1's complement of B. So 1's complement of B equal to 0 0 0 0 0. Now 2's complement of B equal to 0 0 0 0 0 plus 1. So this 1 will get added here. So we will get 0 0 0 0 1. Now we will add these 2's complement to A. Okay. So A plus 2's complement so A is 0 0 0 1 1 plus 2's complement of B is 0 0 0 0 1. 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Now here 1 0 0. A and 2's complement are 5-bit number. Answer is also 5-bit number. So here we can predict as EAC is not generated. EAC is not generated or not present. Answer is negative, and 2's complement of above answer. So first we have to calculate 1's complement. So 1's complement of 0 0 1 0 0 will be 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. Now 2's complement equal to 1 1 0 1 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1 1 1 as it is. So this is our answer, but we have to give negative sign. Okay, so the final answer will be 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 1 equal to minus of 1 1 1 0 0. Okay, this is our final answer. We can cross check our answer. So what is method? We can directly perform subtraction to cross check our answer. So we have to subtract smallest number from largest number. Here largest number is 1 1 1 1 1 and smallest number is 1 1. So we will cross check 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 remaining bits as it is. So this answer is correct. Okay, so 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. This is our final answer. In this way we can perform binary subtraction by using 2's complement method of subtraction. In one exam, fractional subtraction was asked. So see the problem. 111.01 minus 10.111. So we have to make integer part as well as fractional part in same number of digits. Here 3 digit, here 2 digit. So we have to make here 3 digit. Here 2 digit, here 3 digit. So we have to make here 3 digit. Okay, so let A equal to 111.01. See, we have to make fractional part here 3 digits, so we will add here 1 0. Okay, in fractional part 0 is added in LSB, in integer part 0 is added in MSB. So here 111 integer part as it is 0.01 and we will add here 1 0. Now let's see B. B is equal to 10.111. So fractional part is already 3 digit. So here integer part is 2 bits. So we will add here 1 0. So 010.111. This is our A. This is our B. Now we have to calculate 1's complement of B and then 2's complement of B. So 1's complement of B equal to 101.000. Okay, now 2's complement. While calculating 2's complement, we have to add 1 in fractional part. We will add here 1. Okay, so don't forget this. 101.000 plus 1. Okay, so 0 plus 1 1, remaining bits as it is 0.101. So we can write here, we cannot write directly 1, so we will write here 000.001. So 0 plus 1 1, remaining bits as it is. So this is 2's complement. Now we will add this 2's complement to A. So let's perform the addition. A 111.010 plus 2's complement 101.001. So let's add 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, sum 1, carry 1. So here integer part is 3-bit and we are getting here 4-bit integer part. So obviously there is end around carry, and in 2's complement method as end around carry is there, so we have to discard the carry. So as carry is present, answer is positive and discard the carry. So final answer is, we can write here 111.01 minus 10.111 is equal to 100.011. Again we can cross check our answer. So let's write A and B. We will perform direct subtraction of A and B. Here integer part is 3-bit, integer part is 2-bit. So obviously first number A is larger number. So we will write here larger number 111.010 minus B is 010.111. So let's cross check our answer. 0 minus 1, 1, borrow, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 1, again borrow, 0 minus 1 will be, see, 0 minus 1, difference is 1, borrow is 1, and we will again subtract 1. So, we'll again subtract 1, so 1 minus 1, 0, 1 as it is. So we will write here 0 and here borrow will be there. Okay. So 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1. So if we check the answer, we are getting same answer 100.011, means our answer is correct. So in this way we can cross check our answer in exam. Here we have finished our first chapter, which is number system, and the problems for practice are there. So I will either post the video which will show how to solve the problems, or I will give you solved problems on paper. Okay, so make practice.